Welcome back to Vernon's Speakeasy. We're going to be making another cocktail off of our seasonal 2024 menu. We have the Paper Plane. So we'll be shaking this over ice, mixing equal parts of our Aperol, the Amaro Nonino, and the Buffalo Trace Bourbon with an ounce of lemon juice. This cocktail sounds like it's going to be very, very tart, but it's actually super well balanced. And the Buffalo Trace Bourbon with an ounce of lemon juice. Between the Amaro and the Aperol is a little bit more on the sweet end of our aperitifs. So where Campari is super bitter like you would have in a Negroni, the Aperol is definitely a lot sweeter. So it's perfect for something like a Paper Plane or an Aperol Spritz. It's just really nice, perfect spring, summer drink. And we will garnish with, it's usually an orange twist, but I got a little creative and made a little plain. There we go, cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the link below so that you can come in and have some of these. Cheers.